going overnight. That way it gets upload. But I don't know why.
Oh, we're almost there, baby.
I don't know why my phone's not connecting. Look, we can go right there now. Hang out.
Where?
Here it goes, McDonald's. So this is where we went. I have a previous video. I will put it on the bio where it shows where we. It shows footage of us leaving the McDonald's. So when we came to McDonald's, and right here on the side you have motorbike parking space. And what we did, we came around here. And we came around to the market. As you see, the market is there. You see the McDonald's right there in the corner. So when you're coming from Anda, you can park right here on the side. And the market is right there. So as you can see here, pictures, you can buy fish, buy some food so you can go home and cook, vegetables, bread. And why not get you a burger while you're there? It's Jagna. It's a pretty cool place to visit. Here's a shopping mall, a BQ shopping mall in Jagna. So they also have a little mall. Well, as you see, McDonald's. Well, let me show y'all some pictures of McDonald's. So I was in Jagna Bohol for a while, and basically, being away from home or haven't had any of the Western food, you know, you sometimes crave something from back at home. Well, I didn't know there was a McDonald's in Jagna, so as soon as I found out, I had to go visit. So this video, we're basically driving back home on the motorbike. Let me switch it up here. That way you can see better. So this is the road or the highway, Bohol Circumferential Road. So we take all this road, and this is the footage. The footage that you see, it's from this road right here. As you see where the sea, you can see the waters. As you see on the video, we're driving, and then all the water that you see is this right here. Now we do stop at a resort. The resort that you're gonna see that we stop right there. They have a restaurant, and um, you can go in and eat. And they have a small patio that you can check out. It's actually this one right here. This is the resort right here. And it's only 13 bucks a night. So if we didn't want it to go home, we could have stayed here. Let me see if it shows me some pictures. Yeah, there you go. They have a swimming pool, and look at that. That's so nice. Oh, they also have water activities. Well, we stopped there, and I mean, it looked like a nice place. So all we did was check it out, but from there we took off. But anyways, this is the road that we're traveling all the way. As you see right here, there's more resorts around that road. This one looks nice. So we went all the way. We followed this road all the way back to Anda. As you see, Anda is right here. Kandihar is over here. Kundilman is over here. So McDonald's from Anda, as you see, that was a drive. I think it's like about an hour drive on the motorbike, but it's worth it. But don't expect to get a big home style burger or like a Texas double. Don't get your hopes up to see anything big like that at the McDonald's.
Right here?
Oh. There lang. Oh, it's nice.
We just leave the bike right here, look. It's this one, right?
We go or no? Right.
What?
Here.
No, it's the next one.
Oh yeah, the next. I'm sorry.
This one's nicer though.
It's like, yeah, it's nice.
I'm sure those rooms are expensive.
Uh-huh. Okay. So,
But what are we gonna do here?
I don't know. Maybe one day
The coffee,
welcome. Jagna
coffee
Resort.
and friends to make
Per
the
blend, make the perfect blend. We go. Oh. No.
See, we could have ate over here.
Yeah.
What were we gonna do? Just
people.
walking by the beach or what?
I don't know yet. Maybe. Purple. This one? Maybe we can park there. Oh, where is it? Just this?
I think it's just this. Yeah, this would have been a good place to eat, babe.
Yeah. Where we gonna park? You think it's there? Or careful.
You're gonna ask them?
I can't. Go
But
ask.
there's just people. Yeah, look, but
Entrance senior adult 25. Yeah. So maybe going there.
yeah, but what are we gonna do? We're just gonna sit there?
No, we're just gonna walk or
Yeah, but walk where? I don't see nothing.
maybe we can go there.
Ask her. See what's there. Ask her.